Sean Phillips is a South African that has spent the last 4 years in Nigeria. His favorite Castle beer is a scarce commodity in Lagos. As he checks the shelves of this Lagos supermarket, it's clear that the Nigerian market is dominated by other brands.
Pretty much most of the time I drink Heineken and my friends drink Heineken. And I mix with the South African community, and I'm sure all of them, including myself, would love to have Castle or a South African brand here in Nigeria. It's so hard to find.
I'm standing in the cold drink section of one of the largest shopping malls in Lagos. It's a place where you'll expect to get a wide variety of beers and spirits, and as you can see, there is indeed a variety here. But what the variety disguises is the fact that two companies really dominate the Nigerian market. There is Guinness Nigeria, a subsidiary of Diageo, the UK brewer, and then of course there is Nigerian Breweries, a subsidiary of the Dutch brewer Heineken. Together these companies are thought to control over 90% of the Nigerian beer market and have invested billions of dollars to maintain their stranglehold on what many are calling the most attractive market on the continent.
The Nigerian market has grown at 9% over the last 10 years in terms of beer volumes. And if you compare it to other markets, one of the fastest growing markets in the world, Plato, which is a renowned name for beer data, predicts Nigeria going to be the 7th market in terms of absolute growth of beer in the next 5 years, behind markets like China and Brazil, which obviously have more population.
Now, SAB Miller, the world's second largest brewery company, is shaping up to grab a slice of the pie. Since 2008, it has bought 2 breweries and scaled up production. SAB Miller is not the first international brewer to invade Nigeria, but a crash in the value of the naira and bans on key imported raw materials in the 1980s saw off several new players. Diageo and Heineken, through their subsidiaries, appear to have weathered the storm. With the domination of Guinness Nigeria and Nigerian brewery brands, many feel breaking into the Nigerian market is a mere pipe dream. But other analysts believe there is a way through.
I think there's a lot of scope for regional players, and that is where SAB Miller has come in. They've acquired a regional player, Papod, and they're looking to expand the capacity of that brewer, I think, over the next couple of years. They have obviously emphasized on the local brands of that company, and I think that's basically where the entry is for any other new player.
It won't be easy. The battle in Nigeria is heating up. Guinness Nigeria appears to believe production is the best form of defense, and last year commissioned a new plant increasing its annual production by 1 million hectoliters. And just last month, Heineken announced that it had bought a controlling stake in a holding company which owns 5 breweries. The move is seen as Heineken's strengthening of its position in Nigeria. But do these moves spell the end for SAB Miller?
In recent times, we've got news of Heineken acquiring 5 breweries from Sona Breweries. I think that play effectively was to block any potential aggressive entry into Nigeria.
The dynamics from here on should be quite interesting. SAB Miller is a seasoned and efficient brewer which could start a price war to gain market share. And Heineken and Guinness could use relentless brand promotion to drive sales. So who will win the battle of the beers? SAB Miller seems a rank outsider right now. So for some time yet, Sean Phillips will battle to find his favorite South African beer on the shelves of Lagos.